Hey there folks, today I have got a quick and easy tutorial for you. In this video I will show you a simple trick how to change the color of your mouse to match your theme. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference and give your step a decent personalized touch. So let's dive in and make your mouse a perfect fit for your style. Stick around and let's get started. The first thing that Windows 10 have built in a lot of functionalities that you don't know, maybe you know, like it's not important. As you can see, this lookup is pretty cool, and I have already made a video on this. Simply you need to type here the startup settings and then go into it, and you need to use this option, use start full screen before, and if you enable this it will look like this. And to be honest, just let me know, is this one cool or the older one? And about mouse, if you right click on your desktop, go into the personalize, and then you need to go into the colors. First make sure enable the transparency and then choose the color, like I mean the dark theme, or the light theme, about this definitely. And scroll down a bit, there's the title bars and Windows border. You can also choose this one. Actually you can see here the shade, I can use this one. It suits the background, right? And in the theme section you will see here a lot of other things, but on the right side you will see here the high contrast settings. And when you click over there, on the left side you will see here the mouse pointer. Now you can increase the mouse size or decrease it, and also you can change the color from here, just like this option. And now you can choose different color, like I guess 2 is enough. Yeah, that's it. So guys, that's it for today's. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, so I'll respond to you as soon as possible. As you know, we are working on your suggested topics, so suggest your issues in the comment section below right now.